The easiest way to register with Saloodo is via our website saloodo.com. Move the cursor on a register and then on register your company. On the following screen, please enter your contact details. Then click on the 2 check boxes. Agree here that we may send you news about Saloodo. This way you will always be up to date and won't miss anything. Here you confirm that you have a VAT ID and that you accept the terms and conditions. Please note, Saloodo is only available for business customers. As a private person you cannot book transports on Saloodo. After you have filled in all fields, please click on Continue. You will now receive an email from us which you can use to complete your registration. Please check your email inbox. Please click on the button Confirm Email Address in the email we send you. This will confirm your email and you are logged into the platform immediately. You have now successfully registered on the Saloodo Freight platform. Introduce your company by completing all requested data. After you have finished this, click on the button Save and Close. You can now start adding transport requests.